I have recorded several videos about packaging my things into this 24-inch suitcase. Today I will take a video about how I structure my things from the suitcase. All my things is in this suitcase, and my beddings is in this black bag, and my computer, my laptop, and my contract and ID card is in this bag. So my room is empty. I have packed all my things. It's all empty. About $200 per month in Ningbo, Zhejiang, China. Okay. And I will show you my things. I have. Oh. Okay. This half bag, half suitcase is all of my clothes. Spring, summer, winter, and this half is all my belongings, and I can cook by myself. Okay, and this bag and my beddings. It's also for spring, summer, and winter. Okay. About 3 or 4 different beddings quilts. Okay, next I will put them into this empty room every month to